Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we'll see how we can fix the problem of Instagram getting closed automatically. So for that, go to your phone settings, and in the settings scroll down a little bit and find the app settings in your phone according to your phone. So after that, click on manage apps, and here search for Instagram. After opening Instagram, click on clear data, and here you will see this option of clear all data or clear cache. So you can clear all data, then clear cache memory, and after clearing all your data and cache memory, just restart your phone and try opening your Instagram. And this is just one way, and the other way that you can try, if this doesn't work, then you can just simply go to Play Store and update your Instagram. Search for Instagram here, and you will see this option of update here instead of open if your Instagram needs any update. So make sure that your Instagram is up to date as per their new updates, and your problems will get solved easily. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.